right, guys, welcome to Run the Prompts on YouTube. Welcome back to the party. Today, we're going to do something great. As you guys probably know, ChatGPT dropped their new advanced voice mode just a few days ago to a select number of people, and yours truly does not have access. I don't have access to it yet, but you know what I do have access to? I have access to videos that other people made about it. So, what we're going to do is we're going to look at a few videos that other people made about it, and I have a feeling you're going to like this. So, first up, we're going to go to this guy right here, and let's check it out.
What are you looking to adjust?
I think in accessibility, I can like triple click to go black and white or something.
To enable a shortcut for turning the screen to grayscale, first, head to Settings, then Accessibility. Scroll down and find Accessibility Shortcut. From there, you can choose what you want the shortcut to do, like turning on color filters, which includes grayscale. Then, just triple click the side button to activate it.
That did it. Thank you.
Okay, guys, the reason why that's so crazy is because this is the new way tech support is going to be handled. Sorry if you do tech support, sorry, guys. Okay, sorry, but that's just the way it's going to be. And it's not just going to be your iPhone, it's going to be everything. And I can't wait. Honestly, I can't wait for this. Think about it. Let's say you got to put together an IKEA furniture set for your screaming wife. Okay? She needs you to put it together. You don't know how to do it. You're not good at that type of thing. You're going to be able to go to ChatGPT or whatever, any other AI tool. You're going to be able to upload the PDF of the instructions. You're going to be using advanced voice mode or whatever other mode you have at the time to do this type of thing. And it's going to tell you step by step how to put it together. You're going to say, oh, well, where does this piece go? I don't see the hole. I don't see where it's supposed to go. It's going to show you. That's the way it's going to be. It's going to change the game. And it's going to save you a lot of time and frustration of not knowing how to put things together. So be happy about that. Be excited for the future. And it's going to go for everything. I mean, think about how much easier it's going to be to repair your car or to do anything that's involved with support or figuring things out. You're going to have an AI that's infinitely patient and it's going to help you. So we're going to roll on to the next one now, guys. So this guy found a pretty interesting use case here of new voice mode, the advanced voice mode. So let's play it.
Things about this that I think are just so I do a lot of writing, and one of the things I really love to do when I'm trying to figure out what I want to write about is I go for a walk and I just talk about what's on my mind and I record that. And usually what I would do is record it with voice memos and then throw it into some sort of transcription software and then put it into ChatGPT or into Claude and chat with it to pull out what's interesting. And often those things become the pieces that I write. I've always wanted for this because I feel like having someone there who can like ask me questions in real time might get me to the heart of issues that are on my mind much faster than I would on my own. Problem is that the old ChatGPT voice mode would interrupt me all the time, and it just made it sort of
Okay, guys, and if you're getting bored by this guy's voice, don't worry, just pay attention, okay? He's going to tell you something really good. So if you work in business, if you have to generate ideas, he's going to let you in on a use case nobody else is doing. So pay attention.
impossible for me to like ramble and pause. OpenAI added a little feature where you could hold your finger down on the button so that it wouldn't interrupt you, but that felt kind of hacky and I didn't want to walk around like with my hand on the button all the time. The new ChatGPT voice mode though is much better. Let me show you. So I've got a lot of stuff on my mind. I want to figure out what piece I want to write next, and I just want you to listen to me ramble. Don't interrupt. Don't say anything except mm-hmm. And I'll tell you when I'm done, and then we can have a conversation about it. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
It's Saturday morning. Um, I went and got coffee. I was doing some reading. I'm thinking a lot about what what this new voice mode should be useful for. And I don't know, I just want to get out some of the stuff in my head.
Mm-hmm.
Notice how he's just letting it go. Okay, the AI is just letting him talk, just letting him talk, letting him say whatever he wants to say. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Everything he has is in his mind now. He can just say it. He can just keep going and going and going and going, and the AI is going to be able to do something real cool. Watch this.
It just feels more, a little more human like. Like it's sort of like the um a lot of the friction that I normally associate with interacting with voice interfaces is just gone. Okay, now let's talk about it. Can you reflect back to me what you heard?
It sounds like you're exploring the difference in how voice
Okay,
mode
talk
feels.
faster.
You mentioned how voice mode feels different, more human-like, almost like the movie Her, and how it's smoother than usual voice interfaces. You are pondering what this new voice mode could best be used for and getting ideas out of your head.
Yeah, I think that makes sense. Can you ask me some questions to like help me pin down what I'm feeling about this?
Sure. What about voice mode feels most distinct to you? Is it the naturalness of the interaction? The convenience?
Okay, and then AI just starts asking questions about what he was talking about. But the reason why this is important, guys, is because this is the next level of brainstorming, right? So you already have the written brainstorming in ChatGPT where you're writing things down and you're giving it some ideas and you're saying expand on it. This is better because you don't actually have to write anything. You're just talking. You can just talk and talk and talk and talk, and then it'll ask you questions back. Okay, what did you think about this? What did you think about this? And then you can go back into ChatGPT. You can get this huge summary that the AI gives to you, the insights, whatever it finds. So this can be really, really helpful. So once everybody gets this advanced new voice mode in ChatGPT, I highly suggest checking this out. Whether you run a business like me and take over the world, such as me, or maybe you have a job, or maybe you just live with your parents in your parents' basement and you're a loser, it doesn't matter. Check it out and try it out for yourself. So, next one we have here is just a little fun one, and let's check it out.
Can you do that again for me?
Absolutely. Birthday rap. No time to nap. Light the candles. New scandal. Clap, snap. Wrap it up. Happy birthday. What's up?
Add more beatboxing.
Birthday rap. No time to nap. Light the candles. New scandal. Clap, snap. Wrap it up.
Can you do that again for me?
Absolutely. Birthday rap. No time to nap. Light the candles. New scandal. Clap, snap. Wrap it up. Happy birthday. What's up?
Add more beatboxing.
Birthday rap. No time to nap. Light the candles. New scandal. Clap, snap. Wrap it up.
Okay, guys, so the fact that it can actually do this is just absolutely crazy. We're at the point now where a machine can beatbox on demand. I don't know how that's possible. I don't get it. I mean, there have been some really, really nuanced, niche things that people have told ChatGPT to do with this new voice mode. This one is probably the most impressive to me that an AI can beatbox. Crazy stuff. Absolutely insane. All right. Now, warning for this new one, this next one, not new one. This one's kind of cringe. It's kind of cringe, but it's also a good demonstration of what it can do. So you might literally cringe in your seat when you watch this, especially the voice. I hate this voice that they use, but check it out. It's pretty freaking amazing, regardless.
Okay, so we just got a new kitten. I want to show you the spot that we made for her. Let me activate the camera.
Oh, look at that little bundle of fluff. That setup looks super cozy for her. How's she settling in so far?
Well, she hasn't eaten yet. Do you think that's concerning?
It can be normal for kittens to take a little time to adjust to a new environment. So if it's just been a day, she might still be getting comfortable. Have you noticed her drinking water or exploring her new space?
Well, she's never really left the bathroom yet, but she has water, she has food, and a little cozy space in the litter, so hopefully she will come out soon.
It sounds like you're giving her a great setup to feel secure. She's probably just taking her time to get used to everything. Once she feels more confident, I'm sure she'll start venturing out.
Okay, guys, so as cringy as that was, I mean, it's a good use case if you have a pet. So you have a pet that maybe isn't acting too normal, like maybe this guy's cat. You can ask the AI before you have to go to the vet and spend $500 for them to tell you, we don't know what's wrong with her. Because that's happened to me with my dog. Next up,
like clear your throat, and can you clap every time you count?
Let's give it a shot. Clears throat, claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go.
Oh my
was
god!
that?
Can you clear your throat but exaggerate it?
Sure thing. Clearing my throat exaggeratedly.
yeah. Okay, guys. So just imagine this. You're at your pizza job and you're maybe a little bit on the board side. And let's say you want a cheerleader. Okay? You want someone to cheer you on while you spin the pies. So you get out ChatGPT, you turn on voice mode, and you have it start being your cheerleader while you spin your pies. Think about it. That could help, couldn't it? It can clap, guys. It can clap. It can clap and it can cough. What more could you possibly want? How is it possible? And I've been looking into it, how this thing is possible. And apparently they trained it on just every different type of sound you can think of, every different voice, inflection, accent, etc. So it's like if ChatGPT, the normal LLM text mode, is trained off text, then this was trained off sound. Got it? Don't quote me on that. I'm not an expert on voice mode, but that's what it seems like to me. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you're gonna have to do me a big favor. You're gonna have to do my dog a big favor. You're gonna have to do this beer a big favor. And you're gonna have to click thumbs up and you're gonna have to leave a comment in the comment section below so that my dog and I can read it.